How many detectors should we have in the home, and how often should they be replaced?
Smoke detectors basically have a life of 10 years, and they're all dated now. So if you look on the side of your smoke detector, there should be a date. If you look and there's no date, chances are it's past 10 years old and it probably should be replaced. If you have an older home, I would suggest that probably if you had one smoke detector on in every hallway, on every level of the house would be where I'd have them, and they must be within 5 meters of the bedroom. We generally say that the best time to change your batteries is when we do this, when you change your clocks, spring forward, fall back. At that time, it'd be a good time to change the batteries in your smoke detector. They should be tested once a month, and most home, and basically you can just use the test button. However, remember that when you use the test button, you're basically only testing the actual horn of the unit. You're not actually testing the ability of it to test the smoke. So there are cans of fake smoke that you can buy at the hardware store where you can actually spray them if you really want to do the best test. If you remove it from the base and you see there's 120 volt wires there, put it back. That's a hardwired unit. Sometimes you can just look into the plastic cover. You can see that there's a 9-volt battery in there. That's probably about the only way you can really do it, other than age of home. We know that a newer home, they'd all be hardwired. And hardwired is the preferred ones. And some insurance companies really insist that you have hardwired smoke detectors in the home now. There's different types of smoke detectors too, photoelectric and ionization. Both have different ways that they kind of sense the fire. The ionization is more for flash fires, and the photoelectric is more for smoldering fires. And some of the smoke detectors that you buy today, some of the more modern ones, they actually use both technologies in order to sense the fire. So if you're looking for a smoke detector, you might want to check, make sure that it has both those technologies, be a better smoke detector for you.